In this video, we're going to look at making a snowflake drawing using symmetry. So here's an example with objects, and here's one with letters. But what we're going to start with is a piece of paper, and we're going to fold it in half 2 times. So side to side, or top to bottom, and then side to side. And then we're going to open it up. And what we're going to do first, after we unfold, is we're going to draw a circle in the middle so we know where the middle is, and then we're going to fold this back up. Now with our crayon, and you can use any color crayon you want. I was using blue. You can also use black, but a dark crayon like blue or black or purple will work better than a bright color like yellow would be hard to see for this. So try to use a blue or a black if you have them. So I'm drawing a line on these 2 folded sides near my circle, and I'm going to draw another line out like that. Now off of those, like I said before, you can draw objects, you can draw letters, words. This time I'm just going to do shapes. But we're going to draw some shapes like that. So I'll come back in just a second and show you what I have. Alright, so here's what I made for mine. After you've made your design, go ahead and trace over it a second time like I'm doing there, just to make sure you have plenty of wax on there. If you don't have a crayon, use colored pencils or a marker, and I'll do another video showing you what to do there. Once we have that design done, though, we're going to open this back up all the way, and then I'm just going to fold it over so that this design is inside. And then you're going to need a spoon or a pair of scissors to use as a rubbing tool, and what you're going to do is rub over that. What that is doing is applying pressure to transfer some of that wax from the side that you drew on to the other side of it. If you were using scissors, use the handle part as the rubbing end. But then I'm going to open this up and see how my design started to transfer over. Now I'm going to trace over that to make it darker. So let's do that. Alright, so there is my half of my snowflake. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to fold this one more time, that way to copy this whole top half. So I'm going to fold the top half down to the bottom, and then I'm going to use my rubbing tool again, either my spoon or my scissors, and I'm going to rub, and I want to make sure I go over the whole thing. And I'll open it and check. And what I'm going to do then is I'm going to flip it over to the other side and rub some more. Alright, so I rubbed mine on the front. I turned it over and I rubbed mine on the back. And now when I open it up, I have this faint reflection of my design that I made. So now I'm going to go back and trace over those to make it darker. But what I think the cool thing about making a snowflake this way is that, especially if you're someone that likes to draw, is that all the sides can look the same, just like a real snowflake would. And there is our snowflake. Have a great day.